Hello, beautiful beings of light, of love, and welcome to your Kundalini yoga class. My name is Alicia, and I'm so excited to practice with you today. So I invite you to come down to a comfortable seat on your mat. Kundalini is a devotional practice. The devotion is to you, to your soul, to your energy. Relaxing into the space. We're going to begin our practice with some affirmations. Repeat after me. I am loved and guided by the universe always. I have everything I need inside of me. I am here for a divine purpose. We begin our practice with the Adi mantra, Om Namo Gurudev Namo. I bow to the divine wisdom within. If you're new to the mantra, listen in and jump in when feels good. We do the mantra, or we repeat the mantra 3 times. Take a nice deep breath in. Lengthening through the spine. Exhale, relax your shoulders back and down. Relax any tension in the thighs and the toes. Deep breath in to begin. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Relaxing your hands down, placing your palms up on your knees, inviting the beautiful life force energy into your system. Feeling into the body, feeling into the mantra as it reverberates through your being. And taking this time to connect with yourself. Giving yourself a gentle inner bow of gratitude for showing up for this practice today. Bring your palms down on the knees. A few gentle neck rolls to get started here. Moving one way and then the other. Wiggling the shoulders side to side. Maybe shaking out the wrists. Bringing in a little wiggle into the body. We're going to take our hands up onto our shoulders, fingertips in front, thumbs in back. You want to keep this, this part of the arm parallel with the ground. Inhale as we twist to the left, exhale to the right. You want to keep your eyes closed, keep your focus on your third eye here, channeling your inner energy up into this elevated energy center. Come back through center. Keep the arms where they are. Take a nice deep breath in. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze your core. Channel that energy up, up, up. Imagine the energy rising from the base of your spine all the way up, giving yourself this inner bear hug. Squeeze, lift, and exhale. Keep your arms where they are. Allow the energy to relax down and through you. Feel into the subtlety. That's where the magic happens, my friend. On our next breath in, we're going to do the same thing, but this time, inhale, squeeze the glutes, squeeze the core, lift, lift. Move your arms up, wiggle your fingers. Squeeze, 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 lift, lift. And exhale, brush your hands down left to right. Imagine you're clearing away anything that no longer serves you. Anything you no longer want to carry with you through your day, through your life. Make it as big or small. Planting your hands down on your mat. Take a nice deep breath in to lengthen up through the spine. Exhale, relax. Feel into the energy. This is an energy healing practice for your soul, for your whole being. All right, we're gonna come into Siam Kriya variation, coming up onto all fours. We're gonna bring our right leg forward in low lunge. And now, if your back knee is sensitive, you can bring a pillow or maybe roll up your mat. In our mind, we are going to polish our inner dialogue with the mantra Ra-Ma, and it means joy. So as you hold this posture, let's bring our arms up. You can allow your knee to track forward over your toe as you lean into your lunge, finding that beautiful mantra in your mind. Ra-Ma, Ra-Ma. If your hands are getting tired, you can absolutely bring them down and rest them on your front leg. Stay with the mantra. Allow it to permeate your energy. Holding this whole body mudra, bringing joy to every cell. Final deep breath here. Exhale to lower your hands. Take a nice deep breath in. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze your core, lengthen through the spine, channel that energy up, up, up. Elevate, my dear friend. Plant the hands. Shift the hips back. You might be sensitive, so just move the body slowly. Come into a tabletop position, keeping your lines nice and straight, wrists under shoulders. Shake it out. We'll come to the other side. Bring the left foot forward. Make your way up into your lunge. Bring your arms up, closing down your eyes, and focus on the mantra Ra Ma, Ra Ma. Almost there. Deep breath in. Exhale, lower the hands. Inhale, squeeze, lift that energy up the midline. And exhale, slowly return to a tabletop. Going nice and slow. Let's take some nice deep hip circles here, just to move the energy. Send your feet out to one side, send yourself back onto your butt. Bring your feet out in front. Move the fleshy part away from the sits bones. Flex the toes. We'll reach up. Exhale, fold forward. Grab onto the toes. Inhale to lengthen as you chant inwardly Ra. Relax down, forward fold. Ma. Ra. Ma. Ra, Ma. Hands, of course, do not need to come all the way to the toes if you're holding on to your shins or anywhere along the line. You're doing just fine. The intention of the practice is more than the perfected outcome that you might see or might perceive in others or have expected from yourself. You are here now in the practice, and that is enough. You are so worthy. Thank you for showing up today. Inhale to lift. Squeeze the glutes, squeeze the core, channel that energy up, elevate. And exhale. Bring your hands down by your side. Release and relax, let everything go. Feel into the energy that you've cultivated from the inside. We're going to move into the final piece of this Kriya, coming into a comfortable seat. Bringing your hands, palms facing up, left hand underneath the right. Again, closing down your eyes, focus on your third eye, and we will polish our inner energy with this beautiful mantra, Ra, Ma, connecting with the joy within. Final breath in, final mantra. Release your hands, placing palms down on your knees. Beginning to ground all of that beautiful energy you cultivated down into your body, down into the earth, down and through your life and your days. I invite you to notice the mind here, notice the body, notice how you are feeling, notice how this practice has served you today. And we'll bring our hands together, Anjali Mudra at the heart, and end with our mantra, Sat Nam, truth is my essence. Deep breath in to chant. Sat Nam. Thank you so much for sharing your time and energy with me today. I do hope this practice has served you, and if you have enjoyed and would like to practice more with me, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share with a friend who really needs some inner energy love. All right, take sweet care. Sat Nam, my friend.